Hi students, today we are going to study exercise 2.4, fifth question, that is factorize. First one, 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Now we know that this is of the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now for that, first we have to find the term common in, find the variable common in negative terms. These two are having negative sign and the variable common in negative term is z. So we have to put z term as minus, okay. Now this one 4x square is same as 2x the whole square, a square, plus b square, that is 3y the whole square, plus c square. C square is same as, here we have to put minus sign, so it is minus 4z the whole square, okay, plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into a is 2x, b is 3y, 2 into 2x into 3y, isn't it? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12xy, plus 2bc. 2bc it is 2 into 3y into minus 4z, plus 2ca. 2ca means 2 into 2x into minus 4z. Okay, minus 4z. Now we know, now it is of the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So its factorization is a plus b plus c the whole square, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square, or it is same as 2x plus 3y minus 4z into, you have to write it two times, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Okay. Second question, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. Now here there are two terms having minus sign. Check the variable which is common in these two minus terms, that is x, isn't it? So we have to put x term as minus, okay. So minus root 2. Root 2 square is equal to 2. Therefore we can write 2 as root 2x the whole square. Minus of root 2x the whole square plus here it is y square plus 8 is same as 2 root 2 the whole square. 2 square 4, 4 into root 2 square 2, 4 into 2 you get 8, okay. So 8, that is same as 2 root 2 into z the whole square. 8 square is 2 root 2 z the whole square plus 2ab, that is 2 into minus root 2x into by plus 2 into 2bc. 2bc is 2 into y into 2 root 2 z plus 2ca. 2ca is 2 into a it is minus root 2x into c, that is 2 root 2z, okay. That is equal to final answer. Now it is of the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca plus 2bc plus 2ca. That is equal to minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z the whole square, or it is equal to minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z into minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. Okay. Now always you have to write the identity we are using, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. Here we are using this identity. In first question also you have to write this, okay. Sixth question, write the following cubes in expanded forms. First one, it is 2x plus 1 the whole cube. Now here we have to use the identity a plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay. And there is one more identity, a minus b the whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. These two are the identities we are using in this type of questions. Okay. First one, it is having a plus b the whole cube form. So write the identity first, that is a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Now using this identity, we have to expand the first question, that is 2x plus 1 the whole cube equal to a cube. A cube is 2x the whole cube plus b cube 1 cube plus 3a square b, that is 3 into 2x the whole square into b, it is 1 plus 3ab square. ab square means a is 2x into 1 square. Okay. That is equal to 2 cube, it is 8x cube plus 1 cube equal to 1 plus here 2 square 4 into 3 12 x square 12x square plus 3 into 2 6 into 1, that is 6x. This is the final answer. 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. Okay. Second one, 2a minus 3b the whole cube. Here we are using the identity a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Here 2a minus 3b is the question. 2a minus 3b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube, that is 2a the whole cube minus b cube 3b the whole cube plus minus 3a square b, 3 into a square, that is 2a the whole square into b equal to 3b plus 3ab square, that is 3 into a, it is 2a into b 3b. Okay. That is equal to 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 8a cube minus 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27b cube minus 2 square 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 3s are 36. 36a square b plus 2 into 3, 6. 6 3s are 18a. Sorry, here it is b square. So 3 3s are 9. 9 6. 9 6 are 54. Sorry, 54 a. Here it is b square. Okay. 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square. Third one, 3 by 2x plus 1 the whole cube. Always write the identity we are using. Here we are using a plus b the whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Using this identity, we have to expand it. Okay, this is equal to a cube, that is 3 by 2x the whole cube plus b cube 1 cube plus 3a square b, 3 into 3 by 2x the whole square into b, it is 1 plus 3ab square, that is 3 by 2x into 1 square, that is equal to 3 cube, it is 27, 2 cube 8 x cube. Okay, plus 1 cube 1 plus here 3 square 9, 9 3s are 27 by 2 square 4, 27 by 4 x square plus 3 into 3 9 by 2 x into 1 square it is 1, 9 by 2 x. Okay. Fourth question, x minus 2 by 3 y the whole cube. Again write the identity. We are using here it is a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Using this identity, we have to expand this given expression, that is a cube x cube minus b cube 2 by 3y the whole cube minus 3a square b, that is 3x square into 2 by 3y plus 3ab square, that is 3x into 2 by 3y the whole square. It is equal to x cube same minus 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, y cube minus, here cancelling 3 we get 2x square y plus, now here it is 4 by 9, cancelling by 3 we get 4x y by 3, 4 by 3 x y square, x y square, isn't it? 3 here it is 4 by 9, 3 and 9 cancels, you get 4 by 3 x y square. Okay, x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 x y square. That is the fourth answer. Seventh question, evaluate the following using suitable identities. First question, it is first one, it is 99 cube. Okay, 99 cube is same as 100 minus 1 the whole cube. Okay, 99 equal to 100 minus 1. So we can write this one as 100 minus 1 the whole cube. Here we are using the identity a minus b the whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. This identity we have to use. A cube is same as 100 cube minus b cube 1 cube minus 3a square b 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3ab square, that is 3 into 100 into 1 square. Now 100 cube is here 2 zeros, 2 into 3 6 zeros will be there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 cube, it is same 1 minus 100 square it is 10,000, 3 into 10,000 30,000 plus 3 into 100 300. Now adding like terms, that is these two are like terms, adding they are both are having same sign. Now adding we get 1 0 0 0 3 0 0, isn't it? Minus adding negative terms we get 3 0 0 0 1. Now after subtracting we get this is equal to 970,299. Okay, 970,299 is the final answer. Second question, 100 plus 2 the whole cube. 102 is same as 100 plus 2 the 102 the whole cube, that is 100 plus 2 the whole cube. Here we are using identity a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Now expanding using this identity we get a cube, that is 100 cube plus b cube 2 cube plus 3a square b 3 into 100 square into 2 plus 3 into a b square 3 into 100 into 2 square. 100 cube, this is having 2 zeros, 2 3s are 6 zeros will be there, that is 1 followed by 6 zeros. Okay, plus 2 cube 8 plus 3 into 2 6, 6 into 10,000 that is 60,000 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 followed by 2 zeros. When you add all these numbers, all are having same sign. So after addition, you get 1061208 as the final answer. Third question, 998 the whole cube. It is same as 1000 minus 2. 998 is 1000 minus 2 the whole cube. Now write the identity we are using, that is a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. A cube is same as 1000 the whole cube minus b cube 2 cube minus 3a square b 3 into 1000 square into 2 plus 3ab square 3 into 1000 into 2 square. 1000 cube, here it is having 3 zeros, 3 into 3, 9 zeros, that is 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. Minus 2 cube, 8. 3 into 2, 6, minus 6 followed by 3 zeros are there, 3 into 2, 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 2 square 4, 4 3s are 12 followed by 3 zeros, okay. Now collecting like or adding like terms, since they are having here first one and the last one are having same sign plus, by adding these two numbers we get 0, 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros, isn't it? 1 minus adding these two, collecting like terms we get minus 8 and minus this one gives minus 8, 0, how many zeros? 5 zeros, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, then 6. Now subtracting these numbers we get 2, 9, 9, 1, 1, 0, 4, 9, 9, isn't it? That is 9940 11992 is the final answer. Okay. Thank you.